Now we can create custom shortcuts in iOS 27 using the new shortcuts app. So let's try that. I have not tried it yet. Let's see. It's taking its time. Okay, so let's try to play it. It hasn't done anything yet. Let's disconnect from Wi-Fi. Okay, my mobile data was already on. Let's try that again. Connected, and as you can see, it is working quite good. Let's try one more shortcut. Let's give it a difficult one from previous one. So let's see. Okay, so it kind of failed. Let's try third attempt. So let's see. Hit done. And yep, as you can see, it created a shortcut using which I can choose 4G, 5G auto or 5G on. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.